Okay. Hello, Ed. I thought I'd have a go at trying to fix this for you so you have something to do in the morning. I got your plan open in X7. Haven't used that software for a while, so I hope this goes okay. I've had a couple of little problems already that I had to sort out. And I was able to find your waterfall in the plan, and I can see that your idea of trimming the ends um, would help resolve the problem of fitting it into the train. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll be much better than it is now. So let's try and figure that out. I've gone ahead and put some dimensions on the plan view here that we're going to need to do the trimming. So right here, I've got a center line on the bounding box of 4816 divided in half, 2408. And then I put a guideline in here as well. Of the lengths I want it to be when we're finished. So up here we've got to this point of 2190 millimeters and leftover amount of 218 that we want to trim off this end. And down here we've got 2328 down to this point here, which I think will work. And leftover amount of 80 millimeters that we want to trim off of there. So let's maybe get rid of some stuff here so we can see things better. I can get rid of elevation data and contours, and the rest of it has to stay for now. We'll work with that. Okay, let's open the symbol. And I see that you know something about symbols because you've already rebuilt this. And it was most likely done in this orientation. So in X9, we have the display of the axes in this view. You just click it right here, but we don't have that advantage here. But the y-axis will be vertically, and the x-axis will be horizontally, and the z-axis, which we're not going to use, goes this way, up and down. So the 0, 0 point will be right back here. So what we want to do is enter that 0 in there, and then enter our 218 as a negative value right here, and make that a uniform stretch zone between 0.1 and 2 that we filled in by selecting this. And then we're going to go ahead and open that and reduce it by 218. And we'll just check. You can't tell in the plan view because it messes up the 2D CAD block until you rebuild it, but it should show here fine. That we've got a nice clean trim on that end. So now we have to do this end, but there's unfortunately a glitch still in the symbol where now that we've resized it, this 4598 millimeters, it does not adjust the bounding box to that, and I cannot figure out a way to use the 2D BXs to balance this out. It just doesn't work. If anybody knows how to do that, please let me know. But the only solution that I know of at this point is to create another symbol. So I'm going to copy this one, and then I need to bring it into I don't usually use metrics, so bring it into a new plan, which would be profile M. No, I don't want to do that again. And then control paste and drop that in. Open a perspective view of it. Yeah, I know. Okay, we've got that nice trim there, and I put it in the same direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new symbol of it in this orientation. Doesn't matter the 3D, but I just wanted to show you that. Tools, symbol, convert, and just make it an exterior fixture, and we'll leave it as um, untitled for now. And then we can delete this one, bring it in to the plan, and we can go ahead and do the rest of the work on it now, because the 4598 should be the same size as the bounding box now. It's, you just have to go through the rebuild process to get those to balance. And if I've done my math correctly, we now want to set a 80 millimeter uniform stretch zone down here at the bottom. So we want to go to 4518, 4518, and that'll be negative. And then all the way to the end, which is negative 4598. Set that. And then we go into the same process as before. Take the 80 millimeters off. And check the perspective overview. And we have a clean cut at each end, but we still have a problem in that the bounding box will again, 4518, not match the actual size. So we'll have to, this is still a clean plan file. We'll make the symbol again, fixture, and this should be the final one. So let's make sure we do everything we want. Let's give it a name. Waterfall fixed, and 2D block will be automatic. Let's insert it into a train hole. And you'll have to reapply the original materials, because I don't have them in my library. But that shouldn't be any trouble. Okay. That should do it. There is your new symbol. And I'll post that for you. Thanks. Bye for now.